Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to show you this mobile gaming control that we have here with us. So as you can see, this control for mobile gaming is mostly for PUBG, but we can use it for other games, but mostly is used for PUBG. As you can see, we have the battleground logo all over the place. So let's start with some specification about this controller and what this controller can do. So as you can see, we have here a fan to cool down our phone. We have two let's say controllers. With one you can aim or shoot. Also, this controller is capable of 4000 mAh power bank to power the fan and charge your phone in case you need to charge it. We have here some specification about this controller and the battery. As you can see, input 5 volts, output 5 volts, battery capacity 4000 mAh. We have the product weight, size, length, and all these kind of information. Let's begin with unboxing, see what we got here. As you can see, everything is wrapped up for protection. Let's put the controller away first. Let's see, we have here a charger, a cable to charge. This is the micro USB micro charger, and we have one more pair for the controller in case you lose one or you break one. This is the controller. As you can see, we have two controls right here. The fan, we can see the battleground logo. On the side we have the logo of aiming, and in the left side we have shooting. You can change how you want or what do you want to control with this controller. Also, this controller is capable of every phone, because you can put every phone in this controller. Here we can see the fan. This is the button to power on and off the fan. The USB charger to charge your phone, and this is the port where you charge the controller. Let's go ahead and see what we got from this controller. Also, we have 180 degrees for these to move. In that case, you slide your phone easier and you don't break anything. So this functions very easily. You can see every time you pull the trigger, you trigger the upper port where it touches the phone. To slide in the phone is very easy. You just put your phone here, push it with your thumbs, and now put down the controls right here. And when you use this controller, you have to go and customize the controls. For me, the right side is better for shooting and the left side for aiming. So you can see when I put down the controls, the left one immediately touches the aiming and the right one shooting. Let's go ahead and start the game and let's test this controller. You can see how this controller works, and everything works really good. It never misses the shot. Every time you press, it will shoot your shot. You can see. And what is a benefit from this controller is that you have now more space to control your vehicle or to see the enemies, because you don't have your finger in the screen trying to shoot and aim in the same time. Now you have everything up there, so you can control better and play better with this controller. Also, I turned on my fan. You can see the light right here, and probably hear the fan running. Actually, this fan works. My phone is not hot. I can touch and feel no hot here in my phone. And the other good thing or benefit of this controller is that you have here your earphone plug in and your charger, and you can play at the same time. Let me show what I'm saying. Now, as you can see, if you use wire headphones, they are out of the way, so you can shoot and play without any problem. Also, I just plugged in my phone in the back of the controller, so now my phone is charging, as you can see, from 12%. It's charging from the controller. So guys, this was all for today's video in the controller for gaming. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. If you're a gamer, a phone gamer, comment down below what do you think about this gaming control. If you like this gaming control, hit the link below. You have the link to buy it. Comment down below what do you think, and we will see you in the next video.